you doing there? This is Matty Beebe, cinematographer. So we're out here in about, what is this, Jasted area?
What is
this thing that we call life? Yeah, we're over here. We're just talking about the next film that he's gonna release right over here.
How did you know?
Well, I kind of was part of it right there, but to be honest,
what are you wearing?
oh, you know, I'm wearing something that was seen in this film right here. But most of all, I just want to thank this guy right here. That he was the writer and director of this whole thing, and I couldn't have done it without him. So be jealous, B.
All right. Well said. Subscribe.
You're gonna use that, right?
I'll use all of it.
My name is Pinto. I'm gonna miss my mom a lot.
Who's gonna watch him then? Seriously.
My parents and my best friend, Josias, who's taking over my mom's room for the summer.
Damn, because you're gonna be gone.
Yeah, so I need someone to pick up my shits and pick up my peas during the summer. And to take care of me and my brother Hercules.
Yep. Gonna be two lonely dogs.
I'm gonna miss my baby.
You recording?
How are you?
Give me a proper interview question.
All right. So, I mean, honestly, how have you been handling COVID?
Yeah. All right, next question.
If you had any advice for anyone trying to find a Japanese girlfriend, what would it be?
It's the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So bottom,
No, that's good. That's good.
middle two,
All right.
middle, these two.
I'm trying to become a chef.
Oh, never mind. I was counting.
What is the first thing I need to know?
I was like,
Dog.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Any other closing remarks? Oh, you show.
Let me do the outro.
Excuse me.
So promiscuous.
Hi, I'm Matty Beebs. Hey, so I just wanted to say thank you all for coming over to Andrea's little going away get together. Crystal, everybody else from AMC, where you at? Like for real? Like the vibe check, homie? Like this?
Damn, she's just ignoring that.
Nah, she's just ignoring me, Holmes. Hey, homie, like for real right now, the vibe check is completely off. Bruh, on God, this is like the and you know, listen to
Pop Electro.
on God though, on God, bruh. Like check the vibe check. This is Matty Beebe. Peace.
So I hope you enjoyed the little time that I spent out in LA hanging out with Nelson and Palm Electro. The band was really fun time, but I'm here back in Visalia and I'm going to be hanging out with my friend Hortensia, and we're going to be helping her learn how to fly a drone, which I'm no expert, but I do know a few things about flying a drone. So I'm excited to show her and hang out with her. So she's on her way. She should be here very soon, and I think it's going to be a good time. So I forgot the type of drone she has, but you'll see it very soon. Anywho, we'll see you soon.
Memory card. Thank you. That's what I need. I need a memory card.
We did it. Good job.
Thank you.
Of course. So that's how you land it, of course, but you can also land it yourself. Like if you don't want to click the button, you can just go down all the way and just keep holding it.
Have it close to.
Yeah. Right?
And hold it.
And hold it. Yeah, you can if you want.
I know, because I saw you.
Yeah.
I saw you
I've done
doing
that
that. I mean,
but,
I'm not in that level.
Yeah.
I'm in this level.
But if you don't want to grab it, I'm just saying you can land it as well. So instead of catching it, you just hold down all the way until it lands. So you don't have to click that button.
Yeah.
You can just hold down.
But right now, I'm gonna do it.
But right now, yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna use it just to make sure. But later.
Yeah. See, we still got more battery. Okay.
Once I have more practice with you, I'll do the other one. Yeah, because I saw you when we went to.
I was like, I'll catch it because I'm crazy. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. Another takeoff.
What if the battery dies? And I told you don't pay attention to the battery.
When it gets low, it'll tell you.
Okay,
It'll say battery low.
Okay,
and it'll automatically come back to you.
Okay, good to know.
Okay, so we finished our first ever flight. How do you feel, Hortensia? How was it?
Good.
Was it scary?
It was a really good experience. So easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Easier than you thought?
Of course.
Okay,
Yeah.
see? Good. You did really good.
To be my first time, right?
Yeah.
So sad that we were not able to record it.
Oh, I know. We don't have any footage because Hortensia forgot the memory card,
I
so
know.
you
Today
can blame
wasn't
that
my
on
day.
her. Today was not my. She woke up late today. She forgot the memory card. But it was fun, and I think from here on out, it's just getting used to the controls.
So
Right.
we're gonna
keep
continue
practicing. Yeah.
this summer. Huh?
This is just the first time. Yeah. There's gonna be many more
I'm gonna
episodes.
become a pro.
Yeah.
Just like you.
Right? She'll be better than me because I don't fly that much, but she'll be better. And next time we'll have a memory card so you can actually see some
I'll
of the
make sure
footage.
to bring the memory card.
Yeah, so it was fun. So if any of you have drones, you should fly them, practice with them. And if you don't have one, like me, maybe you should buy one and then practice and show us your footage. We'd be interested to see. So anywho, I think this wraps up the vlog this week. I'm to edit, which I'm using a whole new editing interface. I'm using Resolve, which is really weird. So let me know if you like this week's vlog because it's edited in a very different program than what I'm used to. Anywho, Hortensia is cleaning. Oh, ciao, yeah, ciao. See you in 7 days. ¿Cómo se dice en español? See you in 7 days.
Oh, te veo en 7 días. Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down,